How to activate Windows very easily. This is like any version you have, whatever. If it asks you to activate and you don't actually have an activation code, this is a pretty good way to use it. Credits to, who's this? Mass Gravel, because this is theirs, not mine. I'm just showing it because it helps a lot of people, especially in my previous video with installing Windows 10. But it's pretty easy. Just search up PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Run it as administrator, like that. Click yes, and then once you're in, it'll boot up. You have two options. If you have Windows 10, 8, 10, or 11, you can run this script, which usually works. But if you have sometimes you have older computers or whatever that just don't work, you can use the second copy right here. Which again, you can just click copy, and you're just gonna run it. You're gonna run it everything here, and it's gonna show this nice little display. This from here, you're just gonna click on first HWID, which is 1, and then you're just gonna search for your current version of Windows, just so it has everything, all the information stored, which will take a second. As you can see from my previous video I was doing, Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC 19044. So everything's working properly still. As you can see now, this has basically activated the operating system already, and you can just click any key to go back, click enter. If you really need to check, you could click 6, click check activation status. If you wanted, you could click 7, and it'll go to check your Windows edition, which you can change if you want. But for us, I'm not going to do that. And you can double check that it works by going to settings, and you can go to the updates area. Or hold on, I'm already in settings. That was funny. I'm just going to go here, click on activation, wherever that is, and you can see that Windows has been activated. So yeah, it's that simple. It's really easy.